Welcome to my channel EcoTutor.
Morning students. Today's my topic is measuring national income by expenditure method. Expenditure method. How do we calculate national income by expenditure method? In expenditure method, we are mainly concerned with C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C stands for consumption, I stands for investment, G stands for government, and this is the difference between export and import. Export minus import. This is called net exports. So in expenditure methods, we include all these expenditures. So let's start the components which are counted in expenditure method. First component is private final consumption expenditure. Second one is government final consumption expenditure. Third component is gross domestic capital formation. Fourth one is net export. Export minus import. Now let's explain these components one by one. Private final consumption expenditure. This is the expenditure incurred by the households in the domestic territory of a country and abroad. In private final consumption expenditure, we also include the expenditure incurred by the non-profitable institutions which provide the services to the household sectors. Their expenditure is the part of this private final consumption expenditure. Government final consumption expenditure. In government final consumption expenditure, whether expenditure on intermediate goods or final goods, all are the part of the government final consumption expenditure by the government. Gross domestic capital formation. This is a wider term which is to be understood In gross domestic capital formation, it is identical to gross fixed domestic capital formation plus change in stock. Gross fixed domestic capital formation plus change in stock is equal to the gross domestic capital formation. It is also identical to number 1, gross business fixed investment number 2, gross residential construction investment number 3, gross public investment and number 4, inventory investment. What does this mean? That either we are having the value of gross domestic capital formation or the value of gross fixed domestic capital formation plus change in stock, or these 4 values, that is gross business fixed investment, gross residential construction investment, gross public investment and inventory investment. So gross business fixed investment means it is the investment made on plants, machines, etc. Gross residential construction investment, that is the investment made on constructing the building, bridge, dams. Gross public investment, this is the investment made by the government. And inventory investment, this is the stock concept. Here in inventory we are having stock of finished goods, stock of semi-finished goods, stock of raw material. This is all called the inventory investment. So if we add these components, that is private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation, net export, we will have GDP at market price. Why GDP at market price? The value of the depreciation is included here, gross, and whatever the expenditure is made, it is made at the market price. It is made in the market, so that the market price means net indirect taxes are included. That's why it is called GDP at market price. G means gross, D means domestic, P means product, MP means market price. So gross GDP product is equal to private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation, net export, and these are the different methods of gross domestic capital formation, that is gross fixed domestic capital formation plus change in stock, identical gross business fixed investment, gross residential construction investment, gross public investment, inventory investment. So if we are having this GDP at market price by expenditure method, then how do we calculate national income from GDP at market price? So from GDP at market price, if we add these all components together, we will have GDP at market price. From GDP at market price minus GDP at market price minus depreciation, which is also known as depreciation, which is also known as consumption of fixed capital, consumption of fixed capital minus net indirect tax plus net factor income from abroad is equal to NNP at factor cost, which is equal to national income. So in expenditure method, we should have these values: private fund consumption expenditures, value of government fund consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation, net export. When we add these components together, we will have this GDP at market price. Now this GDP at market price, if we deduct depreciation, we will have NDP at market price, or consumption of fixed capital. We will have NDP at market price minus net indirect tax. It is the difference between indirect tax and subsidy. So we will have NDP at factor cost, NDP at factor cost plus NAFIPA, net factor income from abroad. Then we will have net national product at factor cost, which is also known as national income. So this way we calculate national income by expenditure method. I hope you have understood this concept nicely. Thank you.